Back to that form, you said, is that form, does it have amplitude in any way?
The form, as we know, is a waveform. Yeah. But of course we don't see it. We can't really say it's a waveform. The only thing we can say is in the interactions with the empirical world, it seems like a wave.
Right.
And here's the thing. If particles flow away like waves, you think of an ocean.
Yeah.
The waves are connected.
Right.
So the background of waves in the universe is an ocean. It's a wholeness.
Okay.
Things are connected. And so, when we say universe is a wholeness, all objects are connected.
Right.
How can it be that your body and that table and the car outside, they're connected? You can think about it this way. Mm-hmm. Have you ever flown across the Atlantic?
Yes, yes, many times.
Sometimes, when the weather is nice, you can look down, and you see the ocean may be agitated. You see white crests.
Yes.
They start to exist, and they move around, and then they go away. And you understand that these are not isolated things. They're all hanging together in this ocean. And that's how you have to think of ourselves and things. All these things, they are like crests on tops of the waves of this ocean of potentiality.
Okay.
You don't see that ocean. It's non-empirical. It's invisible.
I get it.
But they are connected in their transcendent roots.
Uh-huh.
You can look at them, you can't fool me. You're not isolated. You're just a wave top.
I get it.
So,
So is this a transcendental space or something?
It's transcendent.
Beyond this kind of space?
Yes.
A pre-space?
Well, it's hard to say. I mean, we don't...
But it's something beyond this domain?
No, the wave functions in physics, they do exist in this space, but it is transcendent in the sense it transcends our experience.
Okay. So this quantum potential you talk about must be beyond space and time then? Is it some sort of a metaphysical realm?
To begin with, the potentiality waves in physics do exist in our space and time. That there can be another space that we don't know. It could be.
I'm talking because I remember reading David Bohm splitting this equation.
Yeah.
And when he got the quantum potential out, he talked about, quite rightly what you said, is it has just form and it's instantaneous connected and everything. But
we have to be careful that we don't get carried away and say more about the non-empirical than we can say. So I would say let's leave this because there are more important aspects like, so there's wholeness. Then how does the aspect of mind arise, cosmic mind or cosmic consciousness?
Right, the structure and all that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it's like this. It wasn't that, first of all, the physicists didn't look for all this.
Right.
Yeah. Nobody got a call on some Monday morning and said, this is your cosmic consciousness. How are you doing? No, but probability waves. The particles become probability waves. What are probabilities? Information.
Okay.
Then somebody says information. Usually information is for some mind. Nonsense. It cannot be. Then potentiality. Your thoughts are potentiality.
Right.
Your thoughts are not visible. They're not in the empirical world. I can't see them. You look in your brain, you don't see your thoughts.
No.
You know they exist because our consciousness can operate both in the non-empirical and in the empirical.
Right.
So thoughts have the nature of potentiality. They are real. They can come out. Like right now, my thoughts come out in sound.
Right.
So people said, well, they're potentiality waves. Does it mean they're thought-like? So you see, there was one thing after another. And then there is this aspect of wholeness. If the background of the universe is an area of wholeness, of holistic forms that hang together,